everyone, welcome back to Stitchwork Creations. In this video I'm unboxing a swap between myself and Josy from Creative Crystal Dolls. Whilst I didn't record the process of making the doll I made for Josy, you can see her reroot in my how to reroot video. And if you want to see some of the photos of how I made the doll, then check out my Instagram page at stitchwickwitch on Instagram. I had a large and heavy box arrive from Germany full of exciting things. First of all is the doll certificate. I love all the additional details Josy added to it, it's so lovely and pretty. Josy also sent a present for my two youngest boys. They absolutely love them, thank you very much for those. I'm not going to try and butcher the language and pronounce all the sweets that were given, but there were some lovely minty chocolate sweets and a chocolate Santa. Oh, sparkles! Love sparkles. Smurf pencil and some more delicious chocolates. And this stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it's like mini armour plates for dolls. I can't wait to use it. There's a selection of exciting fabrics. I really like the one with the eyes on it. And some paper flowers and some trim with sequins on. And this stuff is amazing, it's so fluffy. I could just squish it all day. In this bag was a little box with a note on it saying for the stars on the crown. It's pretty cryptic, it's exciting. I was aiming to save the doll for last, so I started with the smaller packages. In this one is a staff, and it's so pretty. It has a real wintry feeling about it with the colour scheme and the sparkles. Just add to it, make it all icy and snowy. Here's the crown, and wow, it's so pretty, so beautiful, and it's so well made. I love it. And now the main event. Honestly, I squealed when I saw her. She's just beautiful. Her outfit is phenomenal. She's got a dress with an overskirt that you can take off and this really snuggly fur trimmed coat. I really kind of wish I had one in my size. Her hair is soft and it's white and grey. It's really smooth and sleek and it frames a delicate face. I love her little face. She has antlers with sparkly frost on them, just like her hands and feet. She looks rather chilly, but it really suits her. I'm sorry, I did a lot of fiddling about with the doll on the crown off camera, but I put the backs of the studs on the crown and light up the stars, and it's so pretty! I had to make do with taking some photos on my desk because the lighting's pretty poor at the moment, and we were promised snow. We did have snow, but it was rubbish snow. It was very wet snow, it didn't stay. So until I can get a proper photo shoot with her, here are some lovely photos of all the lovely things that Josy sent me. Thank you so much, Josy, and I'm looking forward to our next swap, which should be around Easter time.